The hidden legal risks most entrepreneurs don't prepare for. Number one, according to Google, neglecting IP protection. Failing to trademark, copyright, or patent assets allows others to steal your brand, logo, your technology, or even forces a costly rebrand. Definitely don't want that. Number two, a lack of co-founder agreements. That's pretty self-explanatory. Definitely need to have that detailed. Number three, misclassifying employees versus contractors. Another self-explanatory one. A lot of people do this to try to cheat on taxes. I definitely wouldn't recommend that. Got to pay to play. Number four, ignoring data privacy and cybersecurity. Lacking or having weak privacy policies regarding customer data handling invites lawsuits and regulatory fines. Number five, neglecting sales tax compliance, pretty self-explanatory. Number six, failing to maintain corporate formalities. Not separating personal finances from business or skipping annual meetings/filings can lead to quote-unquote piercing the corporate veil, making the owner personally liable for business debts. Don't want that. Number seven, inadequate or weak contracts. Using generic templates or having no written contracts with vendors, clients, or partners leaves the company vulnerable to liability and financial loss. Number eight, ignoring employment regulations. Misunderstanding laws regarding minimum wage, overtime, and anti-discrimination can result in costly employee lawsuits. Number nine, neglecting licenses and zoning permits. Pretty self-explanatory. Gotta play by the rules if you want to play. Number 10, overpromising in business plans. All right. Misrepresenting growth potential to investors can constitute fraud and violate securities laws. So these were the top 10 that I found. Let me know what I missed in the comments. The biggest lesson I learned, I learned that your business can disappear overnight. And if you're not mentally prepared, you'll disappear right along with it. Learn from my scars. I'm sharing the rebuild in real time. So if anything I said resonated with you, be sure you click that like and subscribe button so you don't miss the next video.